And here is one of the situations that I took in Hong Kong. This tunnel is yellow. Then I uses pink gel to change the color of the environment. Flash hit the ceiling. Set up a light on the ceiling. With this applying pink to the ceiling. Because the wall is yellow. If I apply this pink to the ceiling, I will create a different environmental color. Also in the same environment, but at a different angle, will leave the environment yellow. However, I will use pink on the outside. Then with the pink gel placed on the outside, I will have two pink lines. And the wall is yellow. I also change the environment landscape. Then the first two features are two features that Sam very often uses. Is to change the color of the environment with full CTO or color gel. This is the result after I used color gel to change the environment. Well, with this photo, I uses one AD200 with a sphere plus a gel of rose. Hit the wall on the left. Here it is important to only hit the wall on the left. You will see that this wall is actually all yellow and yellow lights. So these yellow lights are here, it's against this yellow wall, so the whole picture is going to be yellow. However, if you leave it yellow, it will not be beautiful. So I put the lamp, hit the wall to the left. Hit this wall. Then I applied the pink gel color to this left wall. With this pink gel on the left wall. Then I will have the left wall is pink and the right wall is yellow. This is the highlight that makes the difference. And if the whole wall is pink, it doesn't mean that the picture will be good. I want a picture of it in two colors, one pink and one yellow. Then there is a pink part here, it also bounces back and I see that here it also has a little pink tint. But that's not significant. This is very important. And out here I put a mag grid lamp to hit. You will see the light on the edge. Due to the mag grid light it focuses. So it makes a very nice rim light here. If I don't have the mag grid, these walls will be bright and it won't be beautiful. So the layout will be like that. AD200 with mag grid hitting from outside. And a light on this posing. In this photo, I uses a super wide angle at the largest angle of 12 mm. Speed is 1/50th, aperture 4 and ISO 1000. Because it's very dark here at this time, do you see the water? It is very cold outside in the rain. So come here and shoot in this tunnel. And it was very dark so I had to close my aperture. Open the widest aperture and open the widest angle. As well as increasing the ISO and decreasing the shutter speed to get a photo like this. It is very important to use gels to change the color of the medium. Especially when I shoot indoors, situations where there are walls. Then I can use color gel to change the context and space. This advanced color gel section here I just introduced you. And the more detailed enhancement, in the lesson where the light is enhanced, I will explain in more detail. About using gel in combination with slow shutter speed. As well as other effects to create a more unique and fanciful shimmering photo. A lighting tutorial to capture this photo, Sam shared in the Lighting Secret section. Sign up for a course at lightingsecret.com to learn more about the technique of taking photos like this. With the use of color gels and effects to create an impressive photo. Then this is the finished product that Sam edited before. And before, it took Sam a lot of time to edit this photo, but it really wasn't very beautiful. Here the color is not even, in these parts it is uneven. And at that time, Sam couldn't handle it either. But after having FineArt Secret, everything has become much simpler and easier. Now with this photo, before Sam edited it about half an hour, this picture is very fast. But this is just a JPEG file, the file quality is very low. But I can still make a good picture. The first is that I will find this photo a bit pale. I will increase contrast. Here, I increased 3 contrast. Then after I increased the contrast, I found that my photo was much brighter and fresher. And when contrast combines with this art it will give a very beautiful effect. Before, it took a lot of time for me to do this. But now only 2 to 3 clicks are done. You see this photo has low resolution. Because this is a small image file, a JPEG file. I lost my camera, lost his entire laptop during a photo trip in Europe, so this set of photos was lost. Fortunately, there are JPEG files. Then here is I will brush except the skin. Because I doesn't want it to be affected too much. It recurred. Then you should zoom in on the skin so I can brush. So you see this picture, the image file quality is not very good. So that's what this photo was before. Sam will adjust the red color, add red or magenta color. Now I will add red. Here, you see, I just need to remove the skin. Remove the skin. Then you see this photo, editing take time. Very time consuming. But this picture only takes 2 to 3 clicks to finish. Incredibly fast. Then the picture is due to the high quality image, then I just need to add the detail and you will see the same. Same, right? But the old picture, these parts are not beautiful. It's got color not even. But with FineArt Secret I has many tools to handle this very quickly. All brush and I choose the brush color. Then when choosing this brush color, it depends on how many colors I want. Gives it 80%. Then I will choose a nice, fresh color here. Now, I just needs to scan these parts and it will have the same color. That's very fast. While it was before, here in this color it's not pretty, it's uneven and the color isn't as fresh. Then I see that with the FineArt Secret tool it will help me a lot in editing. And now I has a nice color. I zoom in, brush up. Then I will have all the side walls in hip color. It's no longer leaking like the old picture. Be careful not to get it on your skin, it won't come naturally. Then you can just paint here or Sam will give the whole space pink. Let it be beautiful. Except for the lamp. If you like, you can just paint it here. You can paint up to here, makes it even. These dark parts one always give it light. Now I have a very beautiful pink wall. Depends on your preference. Here the tool only helps me achieve the quality I want. As for color, orthopedic taste, it's up to me. Then you can tweak it a little bit or you can tweak it a lot. That is your liking, I didn't interfere in this. And in this part if you want to do pink. Before, very hard to do. Now I just need option, I click to choose a color. Here and I scan. I choose option color. It's golden brown. Scan it, and then I got rid of the old pink color. While it used to be in an old picture of Sam, it's all overdone. Here you look at this picture, its color is not even, it's all messed up. Then I can keep it that way or I adjust it naturally. Just like that. This decision is up to you. And this brush tool is very effective, in the way I handle the colors that are overcast. You may not be able to scan or scan this section below. Or don't remove it here, depending on your liking. So you can see that now this photo has been edited by half an hour before. And this picture is a JPEG file. The file is not beautiful, but it's done in a few steps. Then I can also burn this part to darken this part. Let it color again. And I block this dress by being myself contrast. Then with just a few steps, I completed a photo that before Sam took a lot of time without FineArt secret. Before, the photo is very recolored. Become an impressive photo, vibrant colors. And get rid of all the dark parts of it.